Imagine asking an AI to write a report, only to discover it copied someone's work or gave you wrong facts. That moment feels shocking, and it happens more often than you think. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 3 essential safety steps before you ever click run on any AI tool today to protect your work. First, always check the data you feed an AI. If the input is noisy, biased, or incomplete, the output will reflect those flaws, often amplifying errors. Simple checks, like confirming sources, removing duplicates, and ensuring consistent formats, can save you hours of rework later. Think of data as the foundation. A shaky base collapses the whole building in practice. Second, craft clear prompts. Vague questions like "explain AI" can lead to generic or incorrect answers. Instead, specify the format, length, and perspective you need. For example, say, write a 150-word summary of AI safety for beginners using bullet points. Precise prompts guide the model, reducing confusion and wasted time. You can also test variations to see which yields the clearest result. Third, always verify the AI's answer. Even advanced models can hallucinate facts or cite non-existent sources. Cross-check claims with trusted references, run simple calculations yourself, and ask follow-up questions to test consistency. Treat the AI as a helpful assistant, not an infallible oracle, and you'll catch mistakes before they spread across teams. AI inherits the biases present in its training data, so it can unintentionally reinforce stereotypes or unfair recommendations. Before deploying a tool, ask who built it, what data it learned from, and whether it respects privacy. Simple ethical checks protect your audience, your brand, and the wider community from hidden prejudice in real life today. Here's a 3-step checklist you can keep on screen. Verify data quality. Write precise prompts, double-check outputs, and ethical impact. Tick each box before you hit generate, and you'll reduce errors, avoid misinformation, and stay responsible. Treat this list as your AI safety habit. Repeat it for every new tool today consistently. AI evolves fast, so keep learning. Subscribe to reputable newsletters, follow community forums, and experiment with sandbox versions before full deployment. Allocate a few minutes each week to read updates, test new features, and reflect on what worked or failed. Continuous learning turns AI from a mystery into a reliable partner for you in your workflow. Now you have the essential guardrails to use AI responsibly. Apply these steps, share your experiences in the comments, and help others avoid pitfalls. If you found this guide useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss future tips on mastering emerging tech. Together, we can make AI work for everyone. Before we finish, connect the whole idea back to before you use AI tools. Watch this. The useful pattern is simple. Notice the signal, choose one concrete action, watch the result, and adjust the next step. That gives the viewer a practical mental model instead.